guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I promised you the next video would have been my favorite of last month, but I just got this box in the mail and I have to open it, and I really want to show you what's inside. In case you don't follow me, in my channel I'll do a lot of baking, cooking, and a lot of unboxing, mom videos, vlogs. I do a lot of things. So this month pick a box, which is the series of video where I unbox some subscription boxes every month. I choose Marzia. She was on YouTube as Cutie Pie Marzia, and I really like to watch her. She's Italian like me, that's why I really liked her. And she has her subscription box. I saw the old ones and they looked amazing, so I got the spring one. They do a quarterly box, so it's every season, so the spring, winter, summer and fall. So this month theme is Mood Bloom. The box is very cute. She collaborated with different artists every box, so there are like some special items inside that are like very unique. One more thing is that she has two different kinds of boxes, like size wise. The regular box is $29 and this one is the V.I.M, which is very important marzipan, and it's $89. So it's much more than I usually spend on subscription boxes, but I really wanted to have this one, so I spent it. What I want to say is that for an $89 box, I would imagine it would have been a little bigger. It's not that big, you see, compared to me. It's pretty heavy, so let's see what's inside and let's see if it's worth it. Okay, so when you open it, it's like this, and right away I can see there is a little hat. So I guess the theme of the month is this little chubby bug here that is in the front too. It's very cute. I'm not gonna wear it now. I'm not really a hat person because of my curly hair, but it's a very cute hat, and hats are always useful, especially with the summer. I like this. So next item is this Hana Lei. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's a lip treatment in red. Let's open it. There is a seal. So supposedly in the $89 box you're supposed to have more full-size products, which I see here. I'll show you. There are plenty. Oh, this is very nice. I love lip treatments. Lip. Wow, nice shade of red. Cool, I have to try it on. I really like lip things, especially lip balms. So it's made in Hawaii. It says it here in the back. Made in USA, Honolulu. Okay, next we have this volumizing super powder. It's Marc Anthony, the brand, and it's a hair thing for instant mega volume and texture. So volume, as you can see from my hair, is not really my problem, but I can definitely try it on. But it's a nice size. It's 0.32 ounces or 9 grams. I'll try it on, even though, again, volume is not really what I'm looking for my hair. Next we have this charcoal detox dry shampoo. I don't really use dry shampoo, but I talk so much about it and I kind of wanted to try it and this is a nice size to try. 19 milliliters or 2 ounces. Nice. The brand is IGK. Next, I saw this on her Instagram, on Marzia Instagram. It's a fresh rose deep hydration facial toner with rose fruit extract, removes impurities and softens. I like it. I love this brand, Fresh, so I'm very happy about this. And this is a nice size too. I'm not sure it's the full size, but it's 100 milliliters, which is 3.3 ounces. I want to open it and smell it, even though my nose is still congested from last week because I had a cold. Oh my god, yeah, the smell of roses is very strong. Oh, I can't wait to try it. It sounds amazing. Next, we have this by Thierry hand cream. And this is more like a travel size, but it's actually perfect to bring in your purse. I always look for like small sizes to bring with me wherever I go, especially I work in a bakery, I'm a pastry chef, so my hands are always so dry when I get out of there. I think this is rose too. There's rose on the box and I already can smell a rose even though I didn't open it. Next we have these Dr. Color Effect Red Cream from Skin and Lab. I guess it's like a face mask. I think like they were supposed to have like a little sheet, like a paper where they explain everything that is in the box, but I don't really see it. Usually they do, and that's very helpful. I guess it's a face treatment, like a face cream, so I guess it's a face treatment. Let's try it on. Oh my god, it's hard. It's rose too. I guess this month that she really likes rose stuff. It smells like rose. It's very light, which I like in the summer. I don't like face creams that are very heavy and they make you sweat. So this is very light. It almost feels like a gel. I don't know if that would make sense. Next we have, this is adorable. It's a little keychain that says thoughts, and I guess these are bugs on it. I'm not sure what these are, but it's very cute. Next, oh, I guess this is like a bandana. Like, do you say bandana? Like a scarf kind of thing. Oh, this is so cute. And it has like dragonflies and bugs and little leaves on it, ladybugs. So cute, and you can use it. I'll actually put it on right now. Do I look good? I hope so. Okay, next. Oh yes, I saw this on her Instagram page. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. This is wax. Is this how you say wax bee paper? So they use to wrap like food instead of using plastic. I was gonna get it, like the bee wax. I think that's a brand, because I'm trying to, I hope this thing doesn't look too weird on camera. I was saying I was trying to be more environmental conscious. So this is so cute, and it has their pattern. So it says let's eat, and it has like the bugs and some leftover food like apples, pizza. So this is actually one of my favorite things so far with this too. I really like this like very special and unique things. Move on to the next one. These are 3 caffeine-free roasted herbal tea from Ticino, I think, Ticino. So, and there is a little coupon from $1 off. And these are 3 different flavors. One is how do you pronounce it? Dandelion caramel nut, dandelion turmeric, and dandelion dark rose. I love tea. I don't drink coffee. I never did, even though I'm Italian. So I'm definitely gonna try the tea because I drink a lot of it. Next, we have these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Mask. I love eye masks. So, and this month with all these rose products, I'm so happy because I love the smell of roses. So this is really my month. So these are simply eye mask, and there's 1 pair, so 2 patches. I'll try this on. Here we have Derma E Essentials Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil. So there is argan and jojoba oils too with the rose one. I really like all these rose products. I love rose. Let's see if I can. Oh, there's Oh my god. Now I'm gonna smell like a rose for like 2 days. I love it. It's very good. And again, this is the perfect size to put in your purse or like for travel. Next we have these. It's hard not having the paper because everything it's written so small. Lime Crime. I don't know this brand. Plushies, and it's a soft focus lip veil, and the color is dragon fruit. I have to say the packaging is very cute, even though it's not really my style. Like, how do you say kawaii? Like, oh wow, it's very bright. Let me see. Oh, it's very fuchsia. Do you say fuchsia in English? I'm not sure. It's very bright. It's not really my color, but you never know. Maybe I'll have like a 80s kind of party. I can definitely wear this. let's move on to the next one. We're almost done. I have to say the box was small, but it's packed. Like it was packed of stuff. So I feel like my $89 were kind of worth it. So these are 23 years old, that's the brand, and it's a Cocoon Willow Silky Mask. So there's 3 masks like this, like individual wrapped, which is a lot, 3 masks. I love masks, so I'm definitely gonna use this. So far, I loved everything. Oh, wait. There was the paper. It was on the bottom of everything. So I guess I'm just gonna put a photo at the end of the video so maybe you can see all the description better than I said it of every product. And here we have something else I saw on her Instagram page, which I'm very excited about. It's my metal drinking straws, and there's a little lemon and glue 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 sound. I'm so excited because as the wax paper, I wanted to buy this too because I really want to try to not use that much plastic. There's a little, so there are 2 straws, perfect for me and my husband Henry, and there's a little thing you can clean the straw with. I don't know how you will call this, but it's perfect. And I'm so excited, like this and the wax paper, I really wanted them. I was gonna buy them, so it made me save money. And I'm so excited. This little bag, it's perfect and it's so cute. It's super cute, I love it. 2 more things apparently. I'm gonna use this little paper. So I just saw that these 4 papers here are something called, I saw it here on the little description menu. These are floral seed postcards, which I think is super cool. Like seriously, it's so cute and amazing. So these are like papers that are they have seeds inside. So I mean, I don't wanna plant them because they're so cute. They're like Barbarita's design. No, wait, Barbaritia. I hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong. Barbaritius. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing the name right. I mean, they're adorable. I don't wanna destroy them. Super cute. And now that I just got a new house that has a garden, maybe I'll plant this and see which flowers will come out. I'm definitely gonna do it, and then I'll post the photo on Instagram when they will sprout. And last but not least, something that I love, if you follow me, you know I love stickers. And these are very cute because they have the same design of the box. So the chubby box and the little lady here, super cute. So that was the last item of the box. It's empty. A lot of things in the box. So it's one of the best box I think I've ever got. I really liked this. I like the metal straws, and I like the wax thingy. I'm not sure what's the proper name. And I have to say, all the other products, skincare, I loved because I like skincare better than makeup. So that was excellent for me. I really like this box, and as always, if you like this video, please leave a like and a comment because I want to know what you think. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel because that really helps me. And I promise next video is gonna be my month's favorite of March. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!